Namaste and welcome to review your progress in respect of Negotiable Instruments Act. The transaction of negotiable instrument requires at least two persons as parties. The person named in the instrument to whom or to whose order money is directed to be paid is called the payee. Payee is the one who is supposed to receive money on the instrument. Holder in due course is a person named in the instrument to whom or to his order the money is directed to be paid. Either he receives it or he directs someone else to be receiving the money. The maker of a promissory note is also called the drawer. A banker's draft or an order issued by government treasury is also a bill of exchange. Currency note is not a negotiable instrument. So also share certificate. The transaction of negotiable instrument requires two persons. The person named in the instrument to who or to whose order the money is directed to be paid is called the payee. Holder in due course means a person named in the instrument to whom or to whose order the money is directed to be paid. The maker of promissory note can also be called the drawer. A banker's draft or an order issued by the government treasury is equivalent to a bill of exchange. Currency note is not a negotiable instrument. Share certificate is not a negotiable instrument. Two persons, who is payee, who is holder in due course, and drawer of a promissory note is also the maker. Banker's draft and government treasury bills are bill of exchange. Both currency note and share certificate are not negotiable instruments. Presentment is relevant only in respect of bill of exchange. A check is a type of bill of exchange, but it is drawn on a specific or specified banker payable on demand. A promissory note or bill of exchange in which no time for payment is specified and also a check are both payable on demand. A check shall be deemed to be crossed specially on addition of name of the banker in the two parallel lines which are crossed transversely. Negotiation is of two types: negotiation by delivery, negotiation by endorsement. Drawer, payee, or all the joint makers, each one of them may negotiate the instrument at different points in time. Presentment relates to bill of exchange. Check is a bill of exchange. It is drawn on a banker and it is payable on demand. A promissory note or bill of exchange where no payment is specified is payable on demand, and a check is always payable on demand. A check is said to be crossed specially when the name of the banker is written between the two parallel lines. Negotiations may be by delivery or by endorsement. These are the two types. Drawer, payee, or any of the joint makers could negotiate the instrument, but the joint makers have to negotiate jointly. Presentment, bill of exchange or check, payable on demand, promissory note, no time specified, and a check always, both payable on demand. Check when bears the name of the banker in between the two parallel lines is called crossed specially. Negotiation by delivery and by endorsement. Drawer, payee, or all the joint makers may negotiate the instrument. Endorsement or endorsement is of two types: blank endorsement and endorsement in full. Writing of a person's name on the face of the instrument, on the back of the instrument, or on a slip of paper attached to it is known as endorsement. The first endorsement of an instrument is necessarily made by the payee. A negotiable instrument endorsed in blank is payable to the bearer. Where the endorser does not want the endorsee or any other holder to incur any expense on his behalf, such an endorsement is called sans frais. The liability on the instrument may be discharged either by payment or by release or by cancellation. These are the three modes. Endorsement, two types, in blank and in full. Writing of a person's name is required while making endorsement. It can be written on the face, back, or on an attached slip. The first endorsement has to be made by the payee. When the endorsement is made in blank, the instrument becomes payable to bearer. Where the endorser doesn't want the endorsee or any other holder to incur any expense on his account, such endorsement is known as sans frais endorsement, no expenses. The liability under an instrument could be discharged in three ways: payment, or by release, or by cancellation. Blank and full, where endorsement could be made face, back, or on a slip. First endorsement by payee. Negotiable instrument endorsed in blank is payable to bearer. Sans frais endorsement when no amount has to be incurred towards expenses on behalf of the endorser. The liability under an instrument can be discharged by payment, release, or cancellation. When the day on which promissory note or bill of exchange is at maturity is a public holiday, the instrument is deemed to be due the next preceding business day, means the previous working day. When the day on which the promissory note or bill of exchange is at maturity is a public holiday, instrument deemed to be due the next preceding business day. The dishonor of the instrument may be due to non-acceptance or non-payment. When dishonored, the holder must give notice that the instrument has been dishonored. In case of banker's refusal to honor the check in spite of sufficient funds in customer's account, the banker is liable to compensate the drawer. Drawer is the account holder. A holder is having right to duplicate of lost bill even before it is overdue. The moment it is lost, he can ask for a duplicate. Still, it may not be overdue by that time. If the amount is paid after due date, interest is payable at 18% per annum, where no interest is specified in the instrument. Means any delayed payment can attract 18% per annum, where no interest is specified in the instrument. When the day on which the promissory note or bill of exchange is at maturity is a public holiday, instrument deemed to be due the next preceding business day or the previous day. The dishonor of the instrument may be in two ways: non-acceptance, non-payment. When dishonored, the holder must give notice that the instrument has been dishonored. Notice is required. Where the banker refuses to honor the check even where the sufficient funds are there, the banker is liable to the drawer or the account holder. A holder is having a right to duplicate of lost bill. The moment it is lost, he can go for a duplicate bill even if it is not due. If the amount is paid after due date, interest is payable at 18% per annum even when no interest rate is specified in the instrument. Public holiday, next preceding business day. Dishonor by non-acceptance and non-payment. Notice of dishonor essential. If banker dishonors a check wrongly even after having sufficient funds, the account holder or the drawer can make him liable. A holder is having a right to get duplicate of lost bill even before it is overdue. If the amount is paid after due date, an interest of 18% per annum can be collected even where no interest is specified in the instrument. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.